two, one, play.
Gravity, it can be invited. I should know. I've had my runners with the floor. I've screamed tragic serenades, but it was just this lemonade mixed with vodka. I said moments I'm alive, but forgotten we're alive. But Gracie's women that we're alive. And God's a sound of shame and thunder. You know the truth, we're not gods, but we may as well be. We'll see how we feel after the whiskey. And I regretted it all, but then again, not at all. I regretted it all, but then again, not at all. Alcohol. I'm in past for great revenge, wrote books that never end, and call me what to say. I fucking hate you. I fucking do. I talk shite with the best, and I'm broken, fully dressed, and I told them up to say let's have another. And I regretted it all, but then again, not at all. I regretted it all, but then again, not at all. Alcohol! Broken windows with a smile, throwing bottles in the sky. Tried to steal 100 cars when I forgot I couldn't drive. When the glass is half empty, then I am half full, and there should be enough left to vacate my skull. You say I'm headed for a fall, I don't feel it 10 foot tall. Alcohol, and I regret it all, but then again, not at all. I regret it all, but then again, not at all.